Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock is Havells India. If you look at the daily chart, you can find an inside bar candle. Inside bar candle on a daily chart, or for that matter in any time frame, is an excellent way to trade. How we trade it is that we will look for, as the inside bar candle is a bearish candle, we'll look for price going below the close, or rather the low of the candle, which in case of Havells is equivalent to 700, which happens to be a round number. So there is more things or factors that makes this inside bar candle into a today's chart an excellent way to trade Havells in tomorrow's session. So we are looking to trade Havells India or sell it when it goes below 700. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Voltas. If you look at this particular pattern over here, on daily chart, after breaking the trend line, the target was achieved, and the buyers who bought that this particular range sold all the quantity. Therefore you saw a bearish candle in Friday's session. In today's session, Voltas gapped up, but as I told you, or you can see from the overall pattern over here, the momentum is bearish. That's why there are more sellers. And talking about this particular pattern over here, you can take these three candles in isolation and draw a support line, and I expect this support line to be broken, and if it does manage to broke, which is 675, that's the level we are going to sell at, and it can easily go as low as 665 or 660. The third stock for tomorrow's session is BPCL. Just look at this particular pattern. I told you this was a breakout zone, and BPCL did manage to break from this particular support zone. If you look at the overall picture, I'll zoom out and you can draw a support line. As I told you multiple times, when you see a consolidation near a support or resistance zone, the stock is imminent for a breakout. So level that we are going to sell BPCL stands at 340, and it can easily go as low as 330. Fourth and final stock is Petronet. Petronet was the stock I expected to break out from this support level in today's session, but as I told you, for BPCL, when you see consolidation near breakout zone, the consolidation makes the breakout imminent, and as far as Petronet is concerned, we are looking to sell below 217. If that's the price is achieved or reached in tomorrow's session, we can have our target at this swing low. If you want to know all the important levels for tomorrow stocks that we just discussed in the video, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.